Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight on a Hyundai Sonata. First, gather your tools: a screwdriver, the correct replacement bulb, and some protective gloves. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to avoid any burns. Wearing gloves will also protect your hands and prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently squeeze or pull to disconnect this connector. Depending on your Sonata model, there might be a dust cover or retaining clips that need to be removed next. These usually twist off or unclip with a bit of pressure. With the connector off and any covers removed, you can now carefully remove the old bulb. It might twist counterclockwise or simply pull straight out. When handling the new bulb, remember not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Hold it by its base. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing and push it in firmly or twist it clockwise until it's secure. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Before fully reassembling, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once you've verified it's shining bright, replace any dust covers or retaining clips you removed earlier. Finally, close your vehicle's hood, and you're all set with a bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.